I'm drinking a 40 in bed. I'm celebrating. Amen. Got my hat on in bed. I can't sleep. I don't know if y'all think that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm gonna take it as a good thing. I feel good. Y'all feel good. God is good. I'm just so grateful that, man, like, I finally, like, connected with my soul tribe. And I don't want to say mine, like, make it we connected. We found each other. Like, for real. And we go meet. I'm telling you, oh, man, my hand is froze. It hurt from holding the phone. Oh, I got the pink candle. I got the pink joint, you know. I said I gotta get that pink boy, man. Cause I'm getting so much love. Cause we give love, you know, that's how we operate. I don't know what else to say, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm proud of us. God is proud of us. His children are they're getting to meet each other. It's a beautiful thing. Let's keep it up. Trust the process. Keep hope alive. Keep the love, that frequency just Cause I'm telling you, they not ready for us. They thought they was, but we activated. It's morphin' time, man. Hey, and yeah, y'all know that full moon coming up. Like 8 days now. It's on the 12th. Not to, like, you know, we go celebrate. Eat light. Stay in your word, you know. And yeah, to God be all the glory. Appreciate y'all. Shalom. Is that 3 minutes? Yeah, there we go. Hit it with the glory be to God.